I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Toyota Pneumatic forklift, model number 8FGU25. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you're interested, give us a call right away. It has a base capacity of 5,000 pounds and it runs on LP. You'll see here that it has three-way hydraulics with that automatic tilt level button there. While we're on this side, I'll mention that it has a paper clip as well as a cup holder up here in the front. Now this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. This forklift will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Looking at the tires, these are black traction, solid pneumatic tires. And coming up here to the front, we have these ultra bright LED headlights. Coming inside of the cabin, we have some adjustability here with the fully adjustable steering column, as well as a fully adjustable seat here that is a full suspension seat. Now coming back here to the back, you'll see that we have that yellow strobe, as well as the smart alarm, which adjusts to the ambient noise in your area. Now this forklift, as I mentioned, is here. It is in stock and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you'd like to take a look at this truck demo, or if you just have any questions, or if you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.